Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and in just a moment we're going to know who the winners are of the drawing. So the first two winners will win the Sinew Polar and the Caddy, and then the next four winners will win a t-shirt made by me. So all of this was brought to us by Jen. She's the one that graciously donated the Sinew Polar and the Caddy. So you all want to make sure that you tell her thank you. And if you don't win, you can head over to her shop on Etsy, and it's called Boredom with Jen Shop. And I want to make note that the Sinew Polar and the Caddy are two separate items. So if you already have the Sinew Polar, you can just get a Caddy. Or if you want to just only buy a Sinew Polar, you don't have to have a Caddy. But I highly recommend getting the Caddy because it really makes it so easy to wind up. All right, you guys, good luck. Congratulations to those of you that had your name drawn. I need you to contact me via Facebook Messenger, and I need your full name and your mailing address. And for those of you that won the t-shirt, I need you to also include what size shirt I am going to be making and what base color you want. And for those of you that didn't have your name drawn, I am sorry for that. I only had 6 winners. And to keep it fair, I want you guys to know that I bought an app from the App Store and I entered in way over 300 entries, and these are the 6 random names that were drawn. So look forward to doing this again. I had a lot of fun with it and I hope you did too.